We eat a variety of food, and food has different components like carbohydrates, fat, vitamins, minerals, protein, water, and fiber. Today, we are going to find out whether a food has fat in it or not, and it is surprisingly very simple. All you need for this is a sheet of white paper, honey, milk, walnut, peanut butter, boiled rice, lemon, or any other food item available. Take a white sheet and draw 6 small circles on the paper. Label each circle with the name of one of the food you will be testing. Rub a tiny bit of each food on its own circle. If it is solid, just crush it and then rub it on the paper. Once you are done, leave the paper to dry for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, examine both sides of the paper. You will notice that some of the circles will be dry and others will be greasy. Hold the paper in front of sunlight. You will see some translucent spots. These translucent spots indicates the presence of fat in the respective food item.
This has fat and this has fat. Fat and peanut butter.
Both water and fat produce a spot by filling in the spaces between the fibers of the paper. Spots made by water in the food evaporate in the air and dry, but the fat globules remain.